So Madison here, Mackenzie here.
What do we get now?
We got some new toy. Going
and
to pick it
we're on
up.
our way to get it. And you know what, guys? It's November 1st, and we already got a load of snow. Cheers to that.
Cheers to that. We got something different here. Hopefully you guys like it.
We're pretty excited about it.
This one is hit in the rear end, but it is drivable, so we'll see how bad it is in a couple seconds. There it is. Ooh, baby!
Ooh, baby!
G-wagon.
No, that's not it.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, ooh, baby. By the way, guys, I'm Max Build's little sister, and you know what?
Hey.
Never mind. They're off now, both.
Both are off?
Yeah.
That's hilarious. Okay guys, 05 G-Wagon is what we got hit in the back end. I'm bringing it to our shop right now where there's a bit more light because probably can't see shit right now. But yeah, I'm gonna drive it and see how it drives. Okay guys, we got a 2005 Mercedes G500. It was hit in the rear end. Now the cool thing about this one is it's been converted to the new style. So it's got the brand new front end on it. Well, not the new one, but like the newer generation G-Wagon. Obviously it's not an 05 front end here. It's got the updated mirrors. Now here's the damage in the back end. Got hit pretty good. This thing's salvage title, believe it or not. It doesn't even look that bad. The other cool thing is it has an updated interior. Well, updated seats, but still the stock cluster. Looks like the guy took the radio back out of it, so we're gonna have to get a radio. Obviously, these things are super iconic, so it's super cool. Something we've always wanted. Obviously the newer one was something we wanted, but this thing came across the auction, so didn't look too bad. We thought we would pick it up and do another quick build for you guys. Does it have the side exhaust? No side exhaust, eh? Where is it?
It's there.
Is it?
It's dumped.
Oh yeah.
It's dumped like right there. It'd be easy to change.
Yeah. We'll be putting the side exhaust on it like the G63s. What do you think?
This is my dream car.
Is it?
Yep.
Do you think it's cool even though it's an 05?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It looks cool.
If we clean it, it'll look good. Check out this. No radio.
Yeah, I know, I told him. No radio.
I don't think the gate's screwed, man.
There's nothing like the sound of these doors locking though. Very military feeling.
Should I pop this off?
Here's the first mod, guys. Removal of the spare tire. Okay.
Probably should. The doors are clanky and they're cool. I like this thing. Even though it's super old, it's still cool. I can't wait to drive it. It's gonna be fun in the winter. Kind of like a winter toy. What do you guys think of these mud tires? I personally like the stock Mercedes tire and rim. So I think we're gonna try to find a set of those, but obviously the more important thing is fixing the rear end. So the damage estimate on this thing was $40,000. So it was written off. These things retail for like 40 to 50, maybe even 60, depending on how clean it is retail. So pretty cool.
First step is always, we wash it.
Alright guys, so over the weekend, basically what we did was get the bumper off. The tank had a slight dent in it. We got that all pulled out. The tank's plastic, so that was super easy. Bumper's removed. I will need a new bumper. Obviously we need a tailgate or to repair it. We already started to pull out some of the dent very lightly, so I think we're gonna end up repairing it. Both of those rear lights are definitely going. I'm gonna put the new style G-wagon lights on it, or not the new generation obviously, but like the 2013 to whatever 2016. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot newer. The issue we're currently having with this thing, and I am kind of bummed out about it because I wanted to take it for a ride this weekend. We got some lighting issues in the rear. This is all I can get to work in the rear. The left rear signal works. This light, one day it'll be this light, one day it'll be that light. What do you guys think of this thing? I think it's pretty clean for an 05. Like, there's no dents, dings, nothing. The paint is super clean. And for a vehicle like this in Canada, you don't find them, especially in 05. All right guys, so that is pretty much the lost footage. I filmed this stuff in November. I put it on a hard drive and kind of forgot all about it. So I'm glad I found it. It pushed me to finish this vlog up. You guys get to see a little bit what it looked like before. Unfortunately, I didn't film any of the painting process. I do have some photos I will throw up right now. You guys can take a look and see what was involved in fixing the tailgate. But now we're at current day. It's March 14th. It's a nice day today. I'm out in the G-wagon. I just pulled into the back shop. It's +5 today, Celsius. So this has been the nicest day we've had in probably 6 months. It's been in the negatives, like -15, -20 in Celsius degrees, obviously not Fahrenheit. So I want to show you guys what it looks like now, all completely done. I'd say it's about 99% done. We're going to give this thing a wash because it's very dirty, and let me know what you guys think of it. So while I have the camera out, guys, I might as well explain to you where I've been and why I haven't been vlogging. Basically, it all comes down to the shitty weather we have here in North Bay. We get too much snow. Snowbank's higher than this G-wagon, much higher. I just can't create a quality content that I would want to post, guys. I wouldn't post anything just for the sake of posting it, just to have videos online. So guys, the car has been just sitting back here in the shop, covered up until spring rolls around, which is pretty soon. Now the other thing we gotta wait for, now that the snow is actually melted, the other problem we face up here is sand and salt. So they actually use a shit ton of sand and salt on the roads here. You can imagine what that would do to your vehicle. It actually chews the thing apart pretty fast, especially the salt. The salt just corrodes everything underneath the car. Even this thing here, guys, like, it's been undercoated several times. So I'm not gonna post a video that I don't think I would wash myself, guys. We're getting to the time now where this car is gonna be back in the vlogs very soon. We got some upcoming stuff to do to it. We gotta get ready for summer. That involves putting that right rear wheel liner back in. We got that new one. We got to do a full oil change on it, which I've never done. So that'll be a learning experience, and I would like to vlog that for you guys. And then just a couple small things. So we're thinking about taking the wheels apart and getting them painted or powder coated, probably just paint them black. We're gonna take the Tubi exhaust back off the vehicle. We're not happy with the level of sound from it. I actually enjoyed the factory exhaust better. I know that probably sounds hard to believe, but it's actually louder for some reason with the vacuum lines unplugged, and a little bit deeper tone, which I personally like. The other thing too is we noticed a lot of heat coming from that muffler, and we're kind of worried about plastic melting around it. Our car has that rear glass engine bay lid, so we're worried about that cracking. I've read people online having that issue with the heat from the aftermarket exhausts causing all kinds of issues, so I'm sure we could wrap it in some way, but we're just gonna take it off. I know it's a bit bulkier looking and it's not as pretty, but yeah, we're gonna have this car out this week to get it on the hoist here, to get the oil change done, so I'm excited about that. And then probably, I'm gonna say it's probably not gonna be till like mid to end of April before this thing will be on the road, just because of the sand. Until they get those roads swept, it's just not gonna happen. We're also trying to get into the North Face rally, guys. Yeah, that'd be a fun rally. That's here in Toronto. and around Ontario, and I think into Montreal this year. I didn't really look into it too far yet, but looking to do that rally. That'd be pretty fun. I think that's pretty much everything I can update for you guys for now. I hope you guys like it. Feels good to be back on the camera. Can't wait to put out some more content for you guys. But until then, take care. We'll see you guys soon.